Hello, my name is Gabriel Angelina Rosana. Today I want to presentation the material about advantages and disadvantages of techniques used for wastewater treatment. First, introduction. Water pollution by chemicals has become a major source of concern and priority for both the public and public authorities, especially for the entire industrial world. Water pollution occurs when one or more substances that are not used in a negative way are disposed of in a body of water. These substances can cause problems for humans, animals, and their habitat as well as for the environment. The causes of water pollution are various, consisting of industrial waste, mining activities, sewage and wastewater, chemical pesticides and fertilizers, energy use, radioactive waste, urban development, etc. Various causes of water pollution must be addressed with various precautions, one of which is by developing methods or techniques for treating wastewater. Question: what are the methods and technologies for removing pollutants in wastewater treatment? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the technology used in processing wastewater? Purpose: identify efforts in wastewater treatment using various methods and technologies to remove pollutants. Knowing and identifying the strengths and weaknesses of the technology or techniques used in wastewater treatment. Methodology: the research method used in a qualitative research method in data collection and observational research in accordance with the results of data in the field. Discussion: technologies available for contaminant removal. In general, conventional wastewater treatment consists of a combination of physical, chemical, and/or biological processes and operations to remove solids, including colloids, organic matter, nutrients, soluble contaminants, metals, organics, etc. from effluents. There are technologies available for pollutant removal. First, conventional methods. Second, established recovery process. And third, emerging removal methods. Next, there are results and discussions. The following are several methods and techniques in the wastewater treatment process. Number 1, adsorption or filtration process, commercial activated carbon or CAC and commercial activated alumina or CAA. This process uses solid materials and is non-destructive. Advantages: first, technologically simple, and the disadvantages: the method is not selective. And second, the process is very effective and relatively inexpensive, and the disadvantages is easily contaminated by particulates and organic materials. And the third advantages is excellent ability to separate various pollutants, and the disadvantages is performance depends on the type of commercial activated carbon material. And two, there are chemical precipitation. This process absorbs pollutants and separates products are formed. The advantages is economically well integrated physiochemical processes, and two, technologically simple, and the three, not metal selective. The disadvantages of chemical precipitation: there are increased volume of sludge produced, requires an oxidation step of the metal is complex, consuming chemicals in the form of lime, oxidants, etc. And three, fraud flotation. This process is a product separation process. The advantages of the fraud flotation: there are selective metal, low retention time, used as an efficient tertiary treatment in the pulp and paper industry. Then the disadvantages of fraud flotation: there are high initial capital costs, selectivity depends on pH, non-negligible maintenance and operating costs. And four, cal- calating resin ion exchange. This process is non-destructive. The advantages of calating resin ion exchange: there are can be selective for certain metals, produce high quality process waste, and an attractive and efficient technology for the recovery of certain metals. And disadvantages of calating resin ion exchange: there are conventional resins are not selective, sensitive to effluent pH. The matrix degrades with time and with certain waste materials consisting of radioactive, strong oxidants, etc. The conclusion: in wastewater treatment, using various methods and technologies to remove pollutants, namely conventionally consisting of a combination of physical, chemical, or biological process, and operations to remove solids from the effluent. Techniques and methods in wastewater treatment have advantages and disadvantages in each performance. After knowing and identifying some of these advantages and disadvantages, we can conclude that the techniques and methods used in wastewater treatment must be considered again in their use. Thank you.